Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you my new purchase, which is iPad Pro 2020 and Apple Pencil and also keyboard. Actually, I bought it approximately 2 months ago, but I was so busy with my work that I was just not able to edit this video. So first thing I want to say is that I'm not a techno channel, so I don't know any of those fancy terms. I'm just simply sharing my joy with you. I started dreaming about it. I watched so many videos. The main reason actually why I wanted to buy it is Procreate. I really wanted to create my own digital drawings and maybe in future even open my own shop of stickers. Well, actually, fingers still crossed for that. I remember when iPad Pro just came out on market, I thought who would even pay such a huge, gigantic amount for a simple iPad? And now here we are, unboxing this beauty. Also, I wanted to mention that I was really broke at that time and I could not afford myself such fancy things. That's why I found a job, started working, and after 1 month of work, I bought this beauty. So guys, if you are crying that you don't have money to buy anything, it does not just need to be iPad Pro, like literally anything. I'm gonna ask you, how much effort did you put to achieve your dream? I saw many YouTube comments under videos of iPad Pro unboxing that I'm so broke, I'm never gonna have this, my parents will never allow to buy it. I also was in the same situation, but my desire to have iPad Pro was so enormous that I thought, it's time to become independent. You know, dreams really come true if you're putting 100% effort and motivation into that. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and click on the bell. Hope all of your dreams come true.